Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is February 17th of the 2023 year. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem or today's bonus poem. Basically, I'm doing an extra one because today's daily poem was easy. And yeah, I just want to do a premium one poem that I haven't done before. So let's get started. I already done this one. Did I? Oh, maybe I didn't click on something. Okay, let's try again. And apparently this thing doesn't remember it somehow. So okay, click on the premium and then to do, right? All right, maybe this one will give me one that I've done before. Okay, it's good that it's one I haven't done before. So let's get started. 1100, find k length substring with no repeated characters. Okay, so given an s and a k, return the number of substring in s of length k with no repeated characters. Okay, so I mean, this one, when you see things like substring, the one is that and it's a fixed length, then the first thing that you think about, or that I think about, is that there will be at most O of n of these substrings, right? And then the idea behind that is that, you just kind of, and then solving that is just going to be sliding window and try to figure out, this idea of, okay, you have a window, and then how do you change the window by one in a way such that it could be done cheaply, right? Because if you do it naively, maybe it's O of n, and then you get this n square complexity. But if you could do an O of 1 or even O of log n, then you can, it'll be n log n or something like this. This one I think is more straightforward. There are a couple of ways you can do it. The one thing that you can do is by if you're lazy, you can actually do something O of alpha as well, because there are only 26 alphabets, right? So you can do something like that. You can also use a collection, which is what I'm going to do. So let's get started. So basically, let's just say window maybe is a collection.counter, right? And then for I index C and enumerate S, window of C we increment, and then if index minus k is greater than or equal to 0, then we take it out, right? And then if this is, so one thing that I do and keep it this way is that if this is equal to 0, we want to delete it, so that you'll see in a second, but we can make a more a easier operation of just okay, if length of window is equal to k, this basically is just saying that there are k unique characters, and so there are no repeats, right? And if the window is length k, which means that, and I guess that the other one should be enough actually, to be honest, but k plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, right? Then count, we increment the count, which is what we're returning. Of course, we have to initialize it to 0, but that's okay. Yeah, let's give a quick submit. Unless I missed something silly, it should be okay. I have been missing a lot of silly things lately, though, so that is not to be taken for granted. But yeah, like I said, this is a very standard sliding window. This is going to be a linear loop, so linear time. This has at most O of alpha space, because like I said, there are only 26 characters, right? So this can at most be O of 26. And all these are, this is O of 1, this is O of 1, and this is O of 1. Ish. You can maybe even say O of log alpha if you want to implement this using a tree or something. But yeah, linear time, alpha space, and that's all I have for this one. So that's all I have. Have a great weekend and all this stuff. Man, I'm always so tired like I'm doing these. But yeah, that's all I have for today though. So stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.